Live.
Well, this is the first round of heat. We've got round two after a brief little cool down later on this week. But in the meantime, storm clusters are riding up and around the dome of heat, which is kind of sitting here. We've got one here, two, three. Call that ring of fire pattern, and most of the storms are well north here. You can see everything's in a ring around pretty much a massive dome of heat over much of the country. It was near 110 in Nebraska today. We're at 99 right now in Denver, and we had readings as high as 116 in California, and you can see all the fire weather warnings out here. One low of heat is here that's affecting us. We'll have another one that will affect us eventually, and then in between, one little cold front that'll take the edge off for about 2 days and give us a couple nice sleeping nights around here. For the evening, 92 at 7, 86 9, 81 at 11. Nice warm evening, but at least there'll be a breeze, mostly clear skies as the hot and dry weather pattern rolls on. We've got 90s for most of this week. Some places will push 100, but the humidity will not be awful. That's the good thing. Some scattered storms Thursday along that cold front, then briefly cooler and much less humid. You know, it's not going to be overly humid, but I tell you, the air will get very, very dry to end of the week behind that front. And then a few storms early next week, followed by another heat wave. Upper 60s to right around 70 tonight, 69 Frankfort, 70 at Lafayette, 69 at Monticello, and 67 at Greentown and Denver. Tomorrow, when the soils are drier, it will be hotter. Anytime you have a wet soil, it takes a few degrees off your temperature because you're using some of the sun's energy not to heat the air, but to dry up some of that moisture. So only 94 only at Attica, 94 Fowler, but we'll be around 96 at Rochester, 96 over that dry soil at Denver. Same thing Wednesday here, hotter in the east and the south. 95 at Fowler, 94 at Remington, but 98 at Rochester, 97 Camden, and around 96 at Frankfort. Let's take you through the next several days. We'll start with Thursday because it's just going to be hot and mostly sunny right up to Wednesday. Here's the cold front. Severe threat north of here where the upper level winds are stronger. Just about 40% coverage, so there will still be some of you that do not get anything out of this on Thursday. Front settles southward, so 84. We'll have a northeast wind and drier on Friday, but the fire danger coming up. 84 on Saturday, 90 Sunday, warm front lifting northward. We may get a few storms on Tuesday right on the periphery of the heat to the west, and then it will stay hot. A lot of 90s in this forecast after that little cool down. There you have the 84s on Friday and Saturday, 60 at night. That will help before you head back to the 90s. So hot, dry forecast. Our hope is Thursday and Tuesday for any sort of storm, but there will be some of you that get nothing on both of those days, and we're not looking at any drought buster anytime soon.
And just hope you're one of the lucky ones then on those couple isolated chances.
Yeah, like Williamsport over the weekend and parts of Benton and Newton and Jasper County that got over an inch.
Good for them.
Yeah.
All right, Chad, thank you so much. Oh, Purdue baseball. Let's talk about it.
Absolutely. We've got a couple of former Boilermakers stand-up